What's up, everybody? So today I have a 2001 Chevy Z28 Camaro. I've been looking for a Chevy for a while to film on my channel, but I haven't really had much luck. It had to be something crazy to kick it off, and I finally found it. All I've done on my channel is pretty much LS swap cars. Like I did a RX-7 with a turbo. I've done a hilarious Buick Roadmaster with a LS turbo, but this thing here is pretty damn sick. So like I was saying, I found a Chevy Camaro just rolled up on me randomly one day at a car meet, and I had to go talk to him. So this is the owner, Arthur. It's his car, and I see you have a turbo, and I think there's a motor attached to it somewhere. That's a pretty big ass turbo, man. Jeez.
Arthur. This is my 2001 Z28 Camaro. It's gone under a lot of work since it first started. It was an 01, like I said, Z28 1LE. It had a 6-speed LS1 in it, hard top, roll down windows, AM FM radio, and the guy who bought it before me had to put in air conditioning. So it was a lot of fun. Played with it for a while. And then I went and put an MS4 Magic Stick cam in it. Long tube headers, had a lot of fun with that. And then the oil pump broke and the motor went down. And the motor went down for a little bit. Then after that, we just went balls to the wall and put in a 410 cubic inch alcohol motor. Right now, she's got a little power adder on it. It's a 94 millimeter BorgWarner. It runs through a 2-speed power glide with a North Texas converter. It's got a 9-inch rear end, 350 gears. Pretty standard, basic stuff, you know, I guess. And it makes a little north of 900. Sweet.
On the track, like the quarter mile, what does it run if you want to say times?
Mid-8s and better.
Okay.
Mid-8s and better.
Mid-8s and better. All right.
Mid-8s and better.
Very nice.
Trying to lose some weight a little bit,
yeah.
But you know, with me in it, the car's right around 4,000 pounds.
Nice.
So it's not been gutted. It still has the interior in it,
nice.
Except the rear seats. Other than that, it's pretty much the way it came.
Wow. All right, so here we are out in Mexico. This may look like a road we've been on before, but it's not. It's different. This is a different road. Different road in Mexico. Completely different. So we're gonna send this car down the street, see what it does. Hopefully we can get it to hook. I don't know, this thing's an animal, but we're gonna try. appreciate you bringing your Camaro out. This thing was badass, dude, and I had a lot of fun. Thank you so much, man.
No problem. Thanks, guys. Thank you, Shane.
Yes, sir. So I want to give my buddy Rupert a shout out. He's a Pimp Juice dealer here in Houston. If you need Pimp Juice, hit him up. I will put his link to his IG in the description on this video. So be sure to hit him up. Tell him Shane sent you. He knows who I am.